Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Accounting Doctor. So today what we are going to discuss is about due date extension due to COVID-19. There are still many confusion about the due dates, what are the due date extended and how are they functioning now. So here I am to clear all your doubts. So let's check out. It's as per the notification number 30 of 2020 to 36 of 2020 dated 3/4/2020. So there are two parts. One is late fee and second is interest. First, we are going to talk about the late fee waiver. What are the due dates for the late fee waiver? Extended due date for the normal taxpayers filing GSTR 3B. Taxpayers having aggregated turnover more than 5 crores in the financial year 2018-19. For the tax period February 2020, March 2020, April 2020, it's 24th of June 2020. And tax period for May 2020, it's 27th of June 2020. Taxpayers having aggregated turnover of more than 1.5 crores but up to 5 crores for the financial year 2018-19. Tax period February 2020 and March 2020. Due date is extended till 29th of June 2020. And for April 2020, it's 30th June 2020. May is not here. That will come in another slide. I'll tell you about that later. And for taxpayers having aggregated turnover up to rupees 1.5 crores in the financial year 2018-19. Tax period February 2020, it is 30th June 2020. March 2020, it's 3rd July 2020. April 2020, it's 6th July 2020. Again, May 2020 is not here. That will come in the other slide. I'll tell you that now. So here I was telling about May 2020 for taxpayers having aggregated turnover up to 1.5 crores for 2018-19. That is the last previous two slides I showed. Up to 1.5 crores and 1.5 to 5 crores. Both those taxpayers will come under this. For May 2020, it is divided into two groups state-wise. So for group 1, it is 30th June 2020 and state covering under this are Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Daman and Diu, and Dara and Nagar Haveli, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and Lakshadweep. For Group 2, it is 6th July 2020 and the states covering under these are Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Orissa, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Chhattisgarh, and Delhi. So now till here we have covered late fee waiver due dates, extended due dates. So now let's cover interest liability for filing Form 3B. Taxpayers having aggregated turnover more than 5 crores in the financial year 2018-19. Here there are three due dates. First, I'll talk about interest not payable if filed by dates. These are the dates. So tax period for the tax period February 2020, it's 4th April 2020. From tax period March 2020, it's 5th May 2020. And for the tax period April 2020, it's 4th June 2020. These are the dates where till which if you file the return, interest will not be charged. Second is date from which interest will be payable at 9% till the date of filing if filed by 24th of June 2020. 24th of the June 2020 is the last date to file for all the tax period months, February, March, and April. Till then, you will be charged only for 9% interest from the date of for the tax period 20, February 2020, it's 5th April 2020. For tax period March 2020, it's 6th May 2020. For tax period April 2020, it's 5th June 2020. Now comes the third part of this section is date from which interest is payable at 18%. Remember 18%, that is full interest is payable till the date of filing if not filed by 24th of June 2020. If not filed by 24th of June 2020, that is if we file post 24th June 2020, then 18% will be charged from the date. For tax period February 2020, it's 21st March 2020. For March 2020, it's 21st April 2020. For the tax period April 2020, it's 21st May 2020. Basically, these dates are the actual dates from which 18% will be charged. Now comes taxpayers having aggregated turnover of rupees 1.5 crores and up to rupees 5 crores in the financial year 2018-19. Here again there are into three sections. First is interest not payable if filed by these dates. For the February 2020 and March 2020, it's 29th of June 2020. For April 2020, it's 30th June 2020. Second is date from which interest is payable at 18% for taxpayers falling in state or union territory of Group 1. Remember, friends, it's 18%. There is no 9% section here because already government is given huge amount of time for us to file. So it is only 18% here, but they are broken up into two groups. So for the first group, for the tax period February 2020, it's 23rd March 2020. For March 2020, it's 23rd April 2020. For April 2020, it's 23rd May 2020. And for the second group, same date from which interest is payable at 18% for taxpayers falling in state or union territory of Group 2. For the tax period February 2020, it's 25th March 2020. For March 2020, it's 25th April 2020. For April 2020, it's 25th May 2020. Taxpayers having aggregated turnover of up to 1.5 crores in financial year 2018-19. Here again there are in three sections. Interest not payable if filed by dates. So these are the due dates. Again, here government is given ample of time to file us the returns. For the tax period February 2020, it's 30th June 2020. For March 2020, it's 3rd July 2020. For April 2020, it's 6th July 2020. Second is for the Group 1, that is date from which interest is payable at 18% for taxpayers falling in the state or union territory of Group 1. Friends, here again, there's no 9% section, no 9% bracket. It's only 18%, but they have divided into two groups. Dates are different. For tax period 2020, it's 23rd March 2020. For March 2020, it's 23rd April 2020. For April 2020, it's 23rd May 2020. Third is dates from which interest is payable at 18% for taxpayers falling in state or union territory of Group 2. This is second group. For tax period February 2020, it's 25th March 2020. March 2020, it's 25th April 2020. April 2020, it's 25th May 2020. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. Here I've listed those. For Group 1, state or union territory covering are Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Daman and Diu, Dara and Nagar Haveli, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep. In Group 2, states or union territory covering are Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Orissa, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Chhattisgarh, and Delhi. So friends, these are the details I've shared with you. For any other further queries or doubts, you can always reach out to me. I'm Rajiv Bagri representing Accounting Doctor, and this is my contact details. Thanks for watching this video. Friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. We'll be updating in a regular basis about latest accounting tips and also GST updates. Thank you for watching my video.